Hello everyone, I Vatsal, welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of Bluetooth missing from device manager in Windows 11. So what you have to do is just click on the search button, go to the search bar and type device manager. Just click on this search result device manager. So you can clearly see that the Bluetooth device is missing from this list of devices. Now there are two methods to fix this issue. Method number one is just click on any of these devices first. And now just go to the top menu and click on the action menu. Under action menu just click on this option, scan for hardware changes. So what it will do is it will scan the system for the missing Bluetooth device and it will install it. So just try it doing 2-3 times. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Again go to the action menu and now under action menu just click on the option add legacy hardware. Click on the next button. Now choose this second option, install the hardware that I manually select from a list, and after this just click on the next button. Now just scroll down and now just select this sound, video and game controllers, and then just click on the next button. Now under manufacturer just go down and now just select this Microsoft. Now go to the right hand side and under model just scroll down and just select this Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source. So it should be A2DP written over here. So after selecting Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source, just click on the next button. Click on the next button. Click on the finish button. And now you can see that the Bluetooth device is now showing. And the Intel wireless Bluetooth driver is now installed. The Bluetooth icon is also showing in the taskbar. And now we can go to the sound, video and game controllers, and under it just select this Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source, then right click over it and then just click on the uninstall device option to uninstall it. Click on the uninstall button. So this is how we can fix the issue of Bluetooth missing from the device manager in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.